Hey friends, it's Mike over at Stromsoe Insurance with another segment of coverage with Stromsoe. And we're talking about umbrella insurance today, or in the realm that we're going to speak of today, excess liability insurance, because the umbrella coverage that we're talking about today is for business insurance or for commercial insurance, properly protecting everything that you're working so hard to build with proper protection. So what does commercial insurance need an umbrella for? You might be thinking like this, and we get this question a lot. Well, I've got a corporation. My veil is protected. Nobody's ever going to be able to pierce the corporate veil. Sure about that? We hope not. And any corporate documents, any LLC documents, any written legal documents are only as good as the person that wrote them and the maintenance thereof. So make sure that your corporate situation is properly protected. And as you know, there's 4 kinds of entities primarily out there that operate, and there's expansions of those as well. Sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, and LLC. And there's, again, lots of subs of that, all right? But at the end of the day, what I want you to think about when you're thinking about protecting your empire is the entity, because insurance follows the entity first. And many situations where people are required to carry an umbrella, they're required to carry an umbrella because of a contractual situation. The contractual situation might say, we require a minimum of $5 million in liability insurance to enter into this contract for work, okay? Many liability policies in the commercial or business insurance realm normally start at $1 million per occurrence with a $2 million aggregate. I'll stop there, that's a longer story. And some policies nowadays have $2 million per occurrence with a $4 million aggregate, still not equaling the $5 million. Okay? So what do? If you've got $1 million per occurrence and you need $5 million, you need an umbrella to meet a $4 million umbrella to meet the $5 million contractual requirement. It's really that simple. So all you need to do is make sure you contact your local independent insurance agent who works for you first, to make sure that you evaluate the entire situation and have proper coverage. Now, the other thing in play, again, like personal insurance we talked about in another segment, you've got to look at the underlying limit requirements of the contract, and you need to evaluate your business auto, your workers' comp, your general liability, and any other operations that you've got to make sure they're all protected under the umbrella. That underlying limit schedule, which is part of the policy, is a key component to make sure that your umbrella coverage responds and steps up if, God forbid, that claim happens. Because at the end of the day, if that claim ever does happen, we want to make sure that protection is there for you. If there's ever anything more that we can do to serve and protect you, or just to answer any questions about your business and or commercial umbrella situation and the policies beneath it, please give us a call, and you may see information right here on this video as well. We look forward to serving and protecting you soon.